Next, after the types of tags, the next thing we need to show is properties. Tags properties means for every HTML tags we can give properties. Those we call it as attributes. So attributes and properties both are same. How to give properties for the HTML tags? That is the next important thing. I will show the general syntax. Tag name, space, compulsory we should give space. Property name is equal to, in double quotations we need to give the value. So where we need to do? We need to give it in the double quotations. Okay, you give the value in the double quotations. So you can give in single quotations also, no problem. So this is about how to give tag name, property name, in quotations we will give the value. This is the generalized syntax of giving styles or giving properties for the HTML tags. If you take one small example, for example, body is the tag name, space, BG color is the property, is equal to. So in quotations we need to give the value. We need to give the value of that one. Okay. So in double quotations you give the value red. Okay. So in double quotations I am giving the value red. So this is how to give properties for the tags. BG color, in double quotations I will give red. So this is how to give the properties. This is the sample example for how to give styles. So this is the introduction to HTML tags. What is tag? What are those things we have seen? First thing is, what is tag? Anything which is surrounded by angular brackets. So generally all will have opening as well as closing. Types of tags we have seen: constant, fixed, independent. Constant means, in the constant tags we have seen the structure of the page. That means these are the minimum tags which we are going to write in every HTML program. If you see that it is mainly divided into two sections. One is head section, another one is body section. In body section we are going to write the content of the site. In head section we are going to write the title. Fixed tags means which has opening and closing. Independent means which has only opening, no closing. And last one is how to give properties for the HTML tags. This is how we will give properties for the HTML tags. Okay. So this is about introduction to HTML tags. Now we will see the programs or the actual tags and what are those properties in the HTML. We will see in detail about those things. So what we required in order to run the HTML programs means we need to have one text editor. We need to have one text editor like Notepad. So if you have Notepad in your system, that is sufficient. Another one is you need to have a browser. You need to have a browser. Any one browser you need to have. So what is meant by a browser? What is meant by a browser? So browser is nothing but a software. A software which is used to open the web pages. So what are the different types of browsers we are having? The first examples of browsers are IE. IE means Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. So these are the some of the examples of the browsers we are going to use. Like that, you need to have one text editor and browser. So when you have these two details, that is sufficient. But that is the minimum things required in order to run the HTML page. Now we are going to see how to write the program, how to save, how to run everything. So what is the first tag we are going to write in our program is HTML tag. Next, I am going to close that HTML tag. In that HTML tag, we are having mainly two sections. One is head, another one is body. In head part, we are going to have title. In title, you are going to write some title. I am writing as sample page. So this is an example for the sample page of HTML, how it looks. So what is the program description? I will give it in the title. Okay. The next thing is body. Next thing is body tag. And now we will save till here. Control S. Control S means it will ask us to save. So wherever you want, you can save. I am saving in desktop. In desktop, you can give any file name. So I am creating one new folder in desktop. First, in that folder we will save. So I am giving class is a folder name. In that class folder only, I am saving our HTML page. Sample, name of the page, dot HTML. That should be the extension. That means you can give any file name, but dot HTML should be the extension. In save as type, you keep it as all files. Give any file name, type all files, save. Now you minimize this. In desktop, you will get the folder, our class folder. See, our class folder you are getting. So this class folder I am opening. In that you can see our file, our HTML file. Okay. So here Firefox is the default browser. That's why it is coming in that icon. So whatever might be your default browser, in that it will come. If you have Chrome, it will come in Chrome. If you have Internet Explorer, it will come in Internet Explorer. That means I can open this page. If I open this page now, it will open in Firefox. I can open it in any browser, no problem. For example, now you see I am opening this one in see, this is the web page we have. See, in the title bar, I am getting what title there? Sample page. Because this is the title we have given in the title tag. So whatever you have given in the title tag, that will be displayed in the title bar of the web page. Here, see, in the title bar you can see the title. So that is the important thing of the title. That means whatever you have written inside the title, that will come in the title bar. So its body I haven't taken anything. That's why in the web page also you are not getting anything. Now we will add some content to the body, some text. For example, I am writing welcome to the class. This is the one message I have written. In next line, I am writing how are you. After that, I am writing hello. Like that, I have written 3 lines of text in the body tag. Now, so whatever the changes you do, again we need to save it compulsory. Control S. That means if you change one line of the code also, you need to save this document again. Control S means it will save again. Now open the browser. Here again we need to refresh. So you have refresh button here, or shortcut key is F5. If you use F5 in the keyboard, it will refresh the page. See, the page has been refreshed and you can see the text whatever we have written. See how the text is coming. Welcome to class, how are you, hello, you are getting, but all are getting in one line only. In single line only we are getting all the text, but we haven't written like that. See, I have written welcome to class in one line, how are you in one line, hello in one line, but in output they are all coming in the same line only. Since we can understand that it is in the next line, but the browser cannot understand like that. So browser will go to next line only when it reaches the end only. When we reaches the end of the page only, it will go to next line. So I want like this line by line in the web page now. So in order to get like that, after the class text, we are going to use one tag called BR. What is the tag name? BR. BR means break the line. BR means what? Break the line. So this BR tag is used to break the line. That means whenever I use that BR tag, after the break tag, whatever the text might be there, that will go in next line automatically. So if you want to get into next line, we are going to use break tag. It will break the line there. So after every text I am giving now break. Control S, again save it, open browser, refresh, F5. Now you see, you are getting welcome to class in one line, how are you in one line, hello in one line. You are getting line by line, just how you have written in the notepad. And next important thing is, I am giving space between the and class. See, I have given this much space between the and class. I am again Control S, I am saving, or you can go to file and save, both are same. Okay. Now here you refresh, F5. So I am refreshing, but if I refresh the page, are you getting any space? No, we are not getting any space, but I have given here space. That means if you give space here, that will not reflect there, because if you give more than one single space, how much you give more than single space also, it will take only one space only. That means more than single space you cannot get. See, that means waste. If you give also, it will not come in the web page. Then how to give spaces then? Like break tag, when we use break tag, it will go to next line. To get space, we have another property. And, this is called and symbol, NBSP semicolon. My important first thing is this as a tag? No, it is not a tag. Why it is not a tag? Because I haven't written that in the angular brackets. If I write anything inside the angular brackets only, then it is called as tag. See, I haven't written this in angular brackets. I have used and symbol and semicolon. See, break is a tag. I can confidently say that break is a tag because I have written that in the angular brackets. But NBSP I haven't written in the angular brackets. That's why NBSP is not a called as tag. We have another name for this, that is called as character entities, or simply we call it as character properties. So in web pages or website, space is also treated as one character. If you want to get that space, we are going to use and NBSP semicolon. Now I will copy this NBSP, I will give it some 5, 6, 7 times. I am copy paste. Now again save. So how many NBSPs you have given, that many spaces you will get in the page now. Save, open browser, F5, refresh. See, now you are getting the space. Previously there is no space between the and class. Now you are getting space between the and class. That is the basic important thing for us. So this is about sample example. So this is the first example we have seen. This is the basic sample example program. So I am writing the description of the program down. The first thing is BR tag, which we are used in the program. So what is the BR tag? BR means break the line. Next thing we are used is and NBSP semicolon. So and NBSP semicolon means non breakable space. That is the NBSP. That is called as character entities. You can complete as character properties or entities or properties. Not only NBSP, we have other character entities like and copy also. And copy. If you use and copy, you are going to get copyright symbol. Copyright symbol. Like that we have register symbol, trademark symbol, euro symbol, N symbol. Okay, that you can get it easily. You try this one. You just give the copy there and you see whether you are getting copyright symbol or not. So these are the explanation for the above program. Okay. So this is the sample program. Okay. So this is the introduction part to the HTML tags and what is the sample program, how you are going to write and how you are going to execute. Now we will see the actual concepts which we are having in the HTML. What are the concepts we are going to see in the HTML? That means if you see the topics, the first topic is body tag properties. What is the first main section we are going to see? Body tag properties. After the body tag properties, we are going to see about text properties, all text tags, all text related options. After that, we are going to see multimedia tags, or we call it as graphical tags. We also call them as graphical tags or multimedia tags. After graphical tags and multimedia tags, we are going to learn about linking tag. After the linking tag, the next topic is lists. The next topic is tables. Next is forms. Next one is frame set. And final one is meta tags. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in the basic part of the HTML. The first thing is body tag properties. So we will start with that only. What is the first thing? Body tag properties. We are going to see this body tag properties now. So for every program, in the title bar I will give the program description. What is the program is going to about, I am writing in the title now. So what I will do, I will save as this file again. If you save as, you will get another copy. Same in the class folder which we have created previously, in that folder only I will save all the files now. I am giving it as body tag .html. That is the name of the, you give here all files. Now you open that folder. See, previously we have created sample file. Now you are getting body tag.html. In the title also I am changing that only. Body tag properties. Now I will remove all these things. I will keep just the minimum code. So this is the minimum code we are going to have in every page. Now I will close this page. I will open body tag file. See, you are in the title bar, you are getting body tag properties. Okay. Now we will see how you are going to give properties for the body tag and what are the properties which are available in the body tag. The first thing or the first property which we can give for the body tag is BG color, means background color. BG color means background color. So generally when you open the website, you are getting white color background. I don't want white color background in the web page. I want another color in the background. So if you want another color background in the web page, the property which we are going to use is BG color. BG color is equal to, in quotations, or if you directly give in single quotations also it will come, double quotations, or if you give directly also it will come. I will give any name. Okay. What is the name? I will give something, anything, red. Save, open the browser, F5. See, now you are getting red color background in the web page. Now I will give any other color, green. See, now you are getting green color background in the web page. So like that you can give whatever the colors you can remember, those you can, but how many colors we can remember? Maximum around 10-12 colors. You can give like this also, light green, light blue. So you will get light green color now. So like this you can give the background colors which we can remember. If you want exact color, we can use color code. You can use what? Color code. Those color code you can pick it from the internet directly. If you in Google, if you type Google Chrome, or in Google if you type color code, you will get one color box. From that you can pick the color code. How the color code will look means hash okay, and color code. That color code will be exactly in 6 digits, EFF 44 like that, 6 digits color code it will have. Save it here, refresh, see you are changing, the color has been changed. So like this also we can change the color. This is also another method of giving color. This is called color code method. Previously we have used color name, now I am using color code method. This is the first property which we can give in the body tag. The next property is background. What is the next property? Background. So what is meant by background? So what is meant by background property? So background, here in background, if you want quotations you can give, no problem. For background, I already have BG color, then what is the use of background property? So here one more important thing is, don't give space like this. For example, I will remove this property first. If I give like this, save, refresh, are you getting any color? No. So this is a generally done mistake. There should not be any space between BG and color. And the next important thing is, color spelling is not COLOUR, use COLOR. So in entire our course we are going to use this spelling only. Don't use those silly mistakes. So this is a minimum thing. Next property is background. What is the use of background means? To take image. Now we have taken color now. For example, save the file once again, refresh. See, you are getting color. Now instead of color I want image. If you want image instead of color, then we are going to use background option. Now I will take one image. For example, I will take any one image. See, in desktop I have images folder. In that you take any one image. For example, any one image your wish. For example, I will take this image. First I will copy this image in our class folder. That means wherever our HTML file is there, in that folder only I am copying the image. See, both are in same location now. I will give this file name to my own name. Okay, you can give any name. Example, I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the name of the image I have taken. This 1, 2, 3, 4 image now I will put in the background of the web page now. So the image which you want to take and the web page both are in same location. Both are in, both are in the same location, means both are in same place. So when the image and the HTML page both are in same location, you can directly take the file name of the image with extension. See here, you can see the extension here, JPG. Now you see, I will give that only here, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot JPG. Save it, come to page, refresh. See, you are getting the image in the background. But when you observe that one, the background image is getting repeated. That means in HTML if you take image, compulsory you are going to get like this only. That is a problem you are going to face in the HTML. This problem we are going to overcome when you are giving styles for the web page. That is means when you are going to learn CSS, at that time I am going to explain how to overcome this problem. But till HTML you cannot do anything this one. That means compulsory, if the background image is in small size, compulsory it will repeat and it will come. Compulsory you are going to get like this only. So this is a problem. That's why only using HTML we cannot develop any web page completely as we want. Compulsory we need to use styles for that one. So this is about background. Background means to give image instead of color. See, when you give image, can you see color? No, we cannot see the color. Now we cannot see that background color. See, you can see only the image only. That means you can, if you take this, it will come. But if you take image, you cannot see that background color option, because it is repeating now. That's why we cannot see. In CSS we can see both. Now okay, this is what giving file name. But in all cases the images might not be in the same location. It might be in some other location, in E drive or some other location and anywhere else. Then how to take that one? For example, I will take another image which is in another location. I will copy this image. So in my computer I am pasting. See, in D drive I have pasted that image. Now I want this image. See, this image I want now. How you are going to get that image there means right click on the image. Open with. Open with any browser you want. It might be have Firefox or you might have Internet Explorer. Open it in the browser. Then you will get path. Then you will get what? In URL box you are going to get the path. This path we want. Copy this path. Come to Notepad. Instead of this one, you delete this one. Right click and paste the path you have copied. Now I am copying the path. Save the file. Now come here. Again refresh. See, now you are getting image. Now it is not repeating because that image is very in big size. If the image is in the big size, okay, you will get only one. If it is in small size, it is repeating. Now in this case we have not taken the file name. We have taken the address or path. So when it is in different location, we need to take path. When it is in same location we can give the file name. That is the basic thing you need to know. So when to give file name and when to take path, this is the important thing. And next option is text. What is the next option? Text. Text means to give text color. We have taken text in the body tag now in the previous example. Now we are giving color for the text. So whatever the text you are going to take in the body tag, that entire text we are going to get same color now. For example, I am giving the text color as blue, or you can give yellow, anything your wish. In order to see this property working or not, we need to take one text in the body tag compulsory. I am just typing welcome. Save. Here refresh. See how the welcome is coming. See, it is coming in the yellow color. Now you can change the color now. You change it to red. Save. Here refresh. See, that is coming in red color. Like that. See, the text is coming now in red color. Now I will give another color, blue. Save. See, it is coming. Like that you can give any color. So these are the properties which we can give in the body tag. So these are called as body tag properties. So I am giving the description for that properties in the below now. First property is BG color means background color. So we can give color in mainly two ways. The first method is using color name. Means directly we can give color names like red, green, blue, like that. Second method is color code. Color code will be starts with hash followed by 6 digits code. How many digits? 6 digits. Exactly it will be in 6 digits code. Hash 6 digits code. That you can get it from internet directly. So this is the two methods. Have randomly given some code here like this. This is the example you can take. So this is the BG color. BG color means background color. You can give the color in two ways. The next property is background. Background means to insert image in the background. So here we will give file name, we will give path. So when to give file name, when to give path? We will give file name when both are in same location. Means our HTML and image both are in same location. When you will take path, when both are in different location, we need to take path. So this is the background option. Next is text. So text means to give text color. So this is about which properties? Body tag properties. So these are the body tag properties which we can give in the web page. So these are the body tag properties which we are going to take.